It is January 1st, last day of deer season. It's very cold. It's like 10 degrees right now, and it's supposed to dip down real quick. It's real windy out there. So a friend of mine was nice enough to let us use this blind in Isabella County. Never hunted up here before, but seen there are lots and lots of deer tracks around here. Should be a good night. I'm hunting with my dad's old 44 mag Super Blackhawk. My dad passed away in September, and today is his birthday, so I decided to take out his gun. If they come in really close, I've got my prime compound bow. I don't usually carry a compound bow, but in this blind, perfect bow to get in these tight spaces and be able to shoot out these windows. So if one comes in, I hope to get one with the old 44.
There were 6 turkeys over there. Just walk behind us.
Shoot the one on the right, okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a nice big doe. Shot with a 44. She's about 50 yards away or so when I took the shot. I think I made a good hit. She jumped up, kicked her back leg, so I watched her run right up there. I marked it pretty good, so we're gonna wait and see if another one comes in, but I think I made a good hit. There she is right there. Man, what a beautiful doe. That is a big, long-nosed doe from up here in the North Country. Man, that was so cool. What a cool night. Sitting with my son Reed. He videotaped the whole thing, and to do it with my dad's old 44 mag. This gun, he took this out hunting several times himself, but was not able to take a deer with it, and on his birthday we're able to shoot a nice big doe with his gun. That's pretty special, pretty cool that we're able to do that. What a big doe. Glad to end the season with one like that. That was so cool. Just a minute here. Can you see that first one? Take your time. What do you think?
I think I got her. When I shot her, I think I hit her right in the shoulder, cause it looked like her front shoulders were messed up when I shot her.
Nice job. Nice shooting. That might be your second deer with that gun this year, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we went out while there's still light out. We looked for my deer and found my deer, dragged it out to almost out to the truck, and then got back in the blind and no more and got back in the blind. Got Reed set up and we could see deer coming in. Deer came in, he took the shot, made a good shot. She ran maybe 10 yards. That was awesome. That was a heck of a hunt.
We saw a fawn, and then I looked back and there's a bunch of deer coming, and I picked out the biggest one and I shot it.
That's nice. What were you shooting with?
the 450.
Is that becoming your favorite gun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shot a nice buck with it earlier this year, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Reed.